of the movie theater. I don't know why we're laughing. We just saw Paranormal Activity. Sounds just like noises in the movie. Hold on, let me put my seatbelt on, because if you don't wear your seatbelt, you'll get pulled over. And last thing we need is a ticket on the way to my empty house, where we just saw Paranormal. So we went to go see it, and I told you, got mixed reviews. I don't know what people are saying. It was crappy. It scared the bejesus out of me. What about you?
Yes.
I can't see shit. But I'm scared to go home because I have a bad feeling that I'm gonna be alone. What are they doing? But maybe if we can make it home before one of these cars.
Should I go that way?